Pull! Oh! Ooh! Yeah! Woohoo!
Hello, my name is Rika. What is your name?
Hello, my name is Kayla. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Kayla.
What is your name?
Hi, I'm Kayla. Nice to meet both of you.
Where do you both live?
My residence is in Sikasik village.
If I were in Gunung Sari village, and you?
My residence is in Margamuti Village.
Where do you go to school?
I go to school at Sukasanal High School, Negari 4 Kuningan.
Wow, that means we are in the same school. Where are you?
I also go to school here like you.
I'm from accounting department. How about you guys?
I'm from accounting department too.
Me too.
Then, please be friends. We will be in the same class.